Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to perfect your push-up technique. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to building strength and endurance. 1. Start by getting into the right position. Lie down on your stomach with your hands facing forward, slightly wider than your shoulders. Engage your core and lift up onto your toes, creating a straight line from head to toe. 2. Brace yourself, tighten your abdominal muscles and glutes before lowering yourself down. This will help you maintain stability throughout the movement. 3. Proper hand placement. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart to ensure a stable foundation for the push-up motion. Keep them flat on the ground and make sure they're directly underneath your shoulders. This helps evenly distribute body weight and keeps the exercise challenging without straining your shoulders or arms excessively. 4. Control is key. Lower yourself down slowly, keeping control of the movement at all times. Avoid dropping quickly or bouncing up. This can lead to unnecessary strain on the shoulders and lower back, which isn't ideal for long-term progress or injury prevention. 5. Proper alignment. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe while performing each push-up. This ensures that you engage the right muscles and minimize strain on the lower back during each rep. Remember, practice makes perfect. Consistency is crucial in improving your technique over time, so keep at it, even if it feels challenging at first. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and guidance. Until next time, keep pushing those boundaries and stay fit.